Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add your Instagram story to a brand new highlight on your mobile device. If you want to keep your favorite moments visible on your profile, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to create the highlight. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your Instagram profile page, where you can see all your posts, reels, and current highlights. Now, find your active story at the top of your profile. Tap on your story to open it. If your story has already expired, don't worry. You can still add it from your story archive. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on an active story. Once your story is open, look for the three dots labeled More at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on those dots to open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Add to Highlights. This is where you can choose to add your story to an existing highlight or create a brand new one. To create a new highlight, tap on New. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your highlight. Choose something that represents your story, like vacation, favorites, or anything you like. After naming your new highlight, tap Add. Your story will now be saved in this new highlight, and it will appear as a circle on your profile, right under your bio. That's it! You've successfully added your Instagram story to a new highlight on your mobile device. Now, anyone who visits your profile can view your favorite stories anytime, even after they've disappeared from your main story feed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering Instagram and other social media features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.